Okay, so you're going to solve this given expression. You have 109 minus 2 plus 7 times 6. So I'm looking for parentheses first. Okay, so I see parentheses, 7 times 6. So I know that that's 42. So I type my problem of what I have and what it equals. All right, so I write what I didn't touch. So the 7 times 6 is the only thing that gets replaced. Everything else gets brought down. Looking at my next expression, there's no parentheses, so I'm done with my P. Looking at 109 minus 2 plus 42, I see no exponents, so I'm done with my exponents. Then I have to see, do I have multiplication and division? I see subtraction, I see addition, don't have any multiplication or division, so I put a check over it. Now I'm looking for addition and subtraction. Okay, well I have subtraction and addition. When they're next to each other, I need to make sure I solve from left to right. So my first problem I'm solving is 109 minus 2. Well, I know that 109 minus 2 is 107. So I have 107 plus 42. I'm going to delete that box. We're not going to need it. So then I have to see, okay, well, I just have addition. So I have 107 plus 42, and I get 149. So my answer to this expression is 149. I'm done with my addition and subtraction, so I'm good to go. And that is how you solve this problem.